Hello, welcome to geometry. Today we're going to be learning about geometric figures. Okay. So the first geometric figure we're going to talk about is the point. So here I have a point and it is labeled. So I would say that this is point M. A point is a location in space. The next geometric figure we're going to talk about is the line. Here I have line XY. A line is made up of infinitely many points and it extends forever in both directions. So you would say that this is line XY, or you could also say line YX. It goes both ways. And the symbol for this would be an XY with a line with arrows on both ends going over the top. It could also be written like this. Line YX. Now, if you have a part of a line like this with endpoints and no arrows, and I'll call this JK, I would say that this is line segment JK. Or you could also call it line segment KJ. And that is written like this. You put the part of the line and you would write JK, or you could also call it KJ. Next, we're going to learn about the ray. A ray has an endpoint and then goes on forever in one direction. So we will call this ray A, B. Okay? And that can be said as ray AB, or the symbol would be an arrow going in one direction, starting at the A to the right. All right, and that would be how you would write that as we name this figure. And the last figure we're going to talk about today is the plane. Okay? A plane is a flat surface. It has no thickness, but it's drawn like this. And it's got, we're going to name it with 3 points, okay? How about point X, point Y, and point Z? And we would say that this is plane X, Y, Z. So we have our geometric figures here. Let's say I have one that looks like this. Which geometric figure is that? Well, it only has an arrow on one end. So right away I see that it is a ray. So I will call this one ray CT. What about this one? What geometric figure is this? Well, I see that it has points on the end with no arrows. So I'll know that it is a line segment. All right, so it is line segment MN. So I will call this line segment MN. That could also be written like this. All right, what about this? All right. Which geometric figure is this? I notice right away that there are arrows on both ends. So I know that it is a line. So I will call this one line RS. That could also be written like this. And that is how you name and draw geometric figures.